I'm Jeremiah Townsend, and I'm a lifetime member of the NRA and an avid firearms enthusiast. Today we're testing out PB Blocker. It's a new product for Glock pistols.
We're here on the San Juan River at the Triple J Ranch. I'm Richard Neely, the founder of PB Blocker.
I'm Hayes Neely with PB Blocker.
Little history on the product. We actually started manufacturing product in 1992, primarily for the oil and gas industry. We developed a product that would react to the actual steel within pipe and keep different products, paraffins, asphaltenes, and so forth from bonding to the pipe. Had a lot of people ask me about firearms, so we developed a new product similar to our original, but there are some unique changes to it for firearms. And the primary thing we started with was to prevent lead buildup in a Glock firearm, in which Glock recommends to not shoot lead. Today we've just completed 100 rounds. We're going to shoot a few more rounds into a treated barrel by PB Blocker. Very easy product to apply. Simply have a clean gun, apply the product liberally through the barrel, allow it to sit overnight, preferably to a warm barrel, swab out the excess the next morning. Your gun is treated, you're ready to shoot.
There's our treated stock Glock barrel after shooting 15 lead rounds. See, minimal to no lead buildup.
Shoot more, clean less. PB Blocker.